Hello everyone, today I am going to explain my project title IoT based GPS location tracking system. This system is designed to track the real-time location of any object or vehicle using GPS and then send the data to the internet through Wi-Fi. Let me walk you through the hardware setup. First, we have this Neo 6M GPS module which is responsible for receiving satellite signals. This module continuously connects and collects location parameters such as latitude, longitude, altitude, speed and time. I have placed it at the top of the setup so the antenna remains unobstructed for better accuracy. Next, data from the GPS module sent to the Arduino. This is Arduino which acts as a main controller. The Arduino reads the raw GPS data using the Tiny GPS Plus library, processes it and extracts the important values. All wiring is done using color-coded cables. You can see color-coded cables. And from Arduino, the processed data is transmitted to this. This is a ESP8266. As you can see, this is a 8266 ESP Wi-Fi module. This module connects the data and internet, and uploads the location data to an IoT platform. With this, the user can view the live location remotely through the cloud dashboard or serial monitor. Now friends, the entire system is powered using a USB connected, making it portable and easy to test. All components are secretly mounted on a cardboard. Components are secretly mounted on cardboard, covered with a black chart paper and create a clean, organized and professional display. Overall friends, this project demonstrates how GPS technology and IoT can be combined to build real-time tracking solutions. It can be used in vehicle monitoring, delivering tracking, assets management and emergency response system. Thank you friends.